Don't trust anyone. What? Don't trust. Stay strong. Don't go wrong. Think twice. Think twice. I take it slow. I am low. It's the way of your life. Fight for your day, for your faith, and shout.
Another place, another town, memories lost, but for now breathing in, breathing out to get my thoughts back up and round. Walking down another street, passing by people meet. Anyhow, just for now I'm realizing what I need. And then you come to my mind. Well, I guess it's kind of sign. Don't take long to realize. I think it's time, so I'll raise my voice and I am running around looking for you. Could be you, could be you, could be you, could be you. Searching all over town just to be sure. Could be you, could be you, could be you, could be you. When you're hanging around, see nothing new. Could be you, could be you, could be you, could be you. Finally asking you out. How do you do? Look around, see me stare, looking back, now I'm there in the sand. Take my hand, let's find something for us to share. Making out, touching down, every smile in your face seems to me it brings up thoughts of every second that I wasted without you right by my side. How did I manage just to hide that it feels so very right? But I'm restless, so I'll raise my pace and I am running around looking for you.